In this video I am showing you how you can empty trash on any Android phone. So firstly what you need to do is you have to go to your Photos app, and then what you need to do from here is you have to go to the library option. So when you are in the photos, you have to go to the library option, and then here you can see in the some of the smartphones it is available in the top right corner. You can see in my case the bin is here, but if you can't see this option, then you can see the three dots in the top right corner in this menu, and when you tap on this, then you can find the trash icon. And by doing this you have to follow this process. So after that you see this trash icon, click on the bin here, and you can simply uh, select all the photos that you want to delete, and then you can also select all option, and then you can click on the delete, and it will say you to confirm, and then you can again click on the delete button, and now after that it will be deleted. So that's it, and it will be permanently deleted after 60 days in the bin. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.